Hi, I'm Juan from SCS. Today I'll be showing you how to set up your combination tester. Here's what's included in your packaging. One footplate cord that's 6 feet, one ground cord, one power adapter, you have one dual combination tester, and inside your second packaging, you'll have your one dual footplate. Installing the dual combination tester is as easy as mounting the tester using the 4 corners on the yellow plate, placing the dual footplate beneath the tester, connecting the footplate cord, routing the cords through the guides on the footplate, either through the top or the side to prevent tripping or unplugging. Grounding the tester by inserting the ground cord's banana plug into the tester's ground jack and connect the ring terminal to equipment ground, such as the screw on your outlet. And finally, powering the tester with the power adapter. Now you're ready to use your dual combination tester for daily checking of your personnel grounding devices. If you need any more help, feel free to contact us or your local manufacturer's representative. This is Juan, signing out.